The District of Columbia Appeals Court upholds trespassing charges used against most of the January 6 defendants.
This is Dr. David Schein, and welcome to Business Law 101.
Coy Griffin was a county commissioner from New Mexico who was accused of trespassing at the Capitol on January 6, 2021. He was found guilty of misdemeanor trespassing and sentenced to 14 days in jail. However, as a result of the conviction, he was barred from his position in New Mexico. Griffin's appeal claimed that he did not know there was a Secret Service protectee on the Capitol grounds that day. That was due to the presence in the Capitol of VP Mike Pence. However, the appeals court recently ruled in a 2-1 decision that the fact that he, Coy, did not know about the Secret Service protectee was not relevant to his conviction. This was a violation of a specific statute passed in 1971 after several high-profile assassinations, including JFK and RFK. The majority considered the need for Secret Service to prove the need for additional legal protection would be an unreasonable burden. However, given recent rulings of the Supreme Court, the dissent by a Trump-appointed judge may provide the key to the ultimate outcome. Judge Katsas expressed concern that the broad interpretation of the trespassing restriction endorsed by the majority would transform various sorts of minor infractions into federal crimes. He stated, "It ensnares a hotel guest who walks past an area closed for private event sign in search of an open bar if, unbeknownst to the thirsty interloper, the First Lady is expected to attend. Likewise, it ensnares an individual who stepped over temporary plastic fencing just outside the Capitol grounds on January 5th, 2021, to save a few steps on a walk home from work, even if he was unaware of the impending arrival of the vice president. And if that person did so while lawfully carrying a firearm, he would face imprisonment up to 10 years. Justice Castus continues, "Such improbable breadth suggests that something has gone awry. The ultimate outcome remains to be seen." This is Dr. David D. Schein for Business Law 101. If you've enjoyed this episode, please subscribe on your favorite platform.